Well, he made mouth to giraffe contact. That's what's important.
That looks really uncomfortable.
That does. Milo! 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 He's breakdancing. What's with the breakdancing?
You need to pull your arm out. I can't kick my feet up.
He's like lifting them off the ground.
Oh my goodness.
Whoa!
That's a good arm workout.
One arm. Oh, there he pulled his
Oh my
arm forward.
gosh.